Hi guys, this is Lou. Sharing you my morning skincare routine. Firstly, I'm using Salka as my cleanser. I'll be dabbing it all over my face again, as well on my neck. The Salka, it says here papaya facial cleanser. This is classic whitening with papaya extract plus vitamin E. Then it says here this gently improves skin complexion. So guys, if you have any suggestions with regards to cleanser, my face is I don't have a sticky this one. Yes, I don't have a sticky feeling, so I will be using powder after finish with all my routine. So next will be my clay mask since I'm having breakouts. The brand is Maybelline. This is that is good for test for trouble skin. It has two variants. That's the one I've always been I have trouble skin, so most of my products in my videos is good for pimples or acne because I really am an oily person. I mean my face. After a couple of seconds, a minute, my face will that's what you call it, serum. So I really want products that is anti-sabon, oil control, because I have sensitive skin during I am really finding products that is good, that is suits my skin. So deliberately using them on my face. So I'm starting in just using my hand. Usually I use a brush for this or spatula brush to be exact. But today I will be just using my hands and our hands produces heat, so it also helps in spreading the product and melting the clay. Also, I'm using that on my neck since it has essential oils, so it also helps in preventing sagginess of your skin. I usually leave clay mask around 10 to 15 minutes on my face. So after I have uh, dry the mask for around 10 to 15 minutes, I will be getting them off with my wet wipes. As you can see, I'm having trouble getting this since the wet wipes that I'm using is inexpensive. Although there are also wet wipes that is affordable, yet the quality is good. But this one, also this, although the product is watery, which do helps in getting the product easily, but this one I am really hard. I am really I'm having a hard time getting the product. Please do leave a comment so that I can try other products. When it comes to clay mask, I don't usually use clay mask. I use them like once a month or one to twice a week. It really depends on the skin problem. If I do have lots of pimples, I will use 1 to 2 weeks or 3 times a week. Since this is for trouble skin. I'm not saying that this is good since I barely use the product. As you can see, I have used other. I will be using. I don't. I didn't share the product of the wet wipes, but I've used other wet wipes already since I was having trouble getting the product. Just be gentle. I'm kind of harsh to my skin. Usually, you do that upward when you remove products, or if you ever put something on your neck or on your face. Just so be gentle. Please do it upward, especially on your face and on your neck area. Please do. Please be gentle on that area. So after I can feel that the product is. I can feel that I have already removed all the product on my face. I will be using an eye cream. It's part of my morning skincare routine, if I'm not mistaken on this one. Okay, I did apply a cleanser again just to be sure that I remove all the clay mass. One particular product that is good for a pimple if you're having breakouts. If you want to use patch, if you have enough money, uh, I suggest you use Acne's. The product is really good. I mean, if you apply that on even on the nighttime or daily, uh, if you have wake up and then put patches in a day, the pimple will diminish right away. Again, I put Esfolio. That one is Esfolio for my eye cream. That is brightening. I usually use it all over my eyes since it's skin brightening. I know that it has skin tightening properties also because Korean products they tend to have skin tightening properties. Most of their products. So for my lip balm, I am using Burt's Bees in pomegranate. Is that how you say that? And then I will be using patch for this. Yes. Okay. The one that I'm using is good for wound healing. But you can also use that as a pimple. It's 100 pesos from Shopee. But actually, the patch is good for wound healing, not for specifically for pimples. But you can also use that if you're having breakouts. And that's it. Bye for now.